How tall should a bird bath be? In dry summers and cold winters, birds may have trouble locating clean, safe water for bathing and drinking. To remedy this problem, many bird-loving homeowners set out bird baths. Consider other animals that may frequent your yard before purchasing a bird bath. The height at which a bird bath sits can determine how safe it is for visiting birds. Types. Bird baths are available in different varieties, based on where you install each unit. Hanging bird baths are ideal for smaller birds and are generally placed to hang from tree branches or porch eaves. Standing baths are usually affixed to the top of pedestals from 24 to 30 inches tall and placed in the yard or garden, while units are also available that sit on the ground and help provide water for squirrels, rabbits and other lawn visitors. Considerations. How high you hang your bird bath, or the height you choose for your unit, depends on personal choice. However, you might wish to consider heights you can easily reach, as you will need to clean the bath daily to prevent contaminated and infested water. Warning. If your pets may disturb or harm birds, you may consider taller bird baths or hanging baths, safe from predators such as cats. Ground baths provide water for more animals, but are often the most dangerous for birds and small animals as they are in reach of cats or dogs.